Hey, what's going on, everyone? We are back with another unboxing, full review, and see what you guys think of these. These are my first pair of Fear of God. You know, the collab with Nike and Jerry Lorenzo. As you can see, I got my personal size. I got them super quick. You can change the shipping on Nike, so I got them today, and they came out yesterday, so that's pretty cool. And you know, just show you the size tag, even though I've shown you like 3 times. But my size tag again. A little quick overlook of the box. Orange box top, white pull-out box, and just orange all around with the usual Nike branding on the bottom. Go ahead and pull these out. I looked at them before I was going to start recording, and you know, they're pretty tight. But take them out one more time here. And here, got the Nike Air Fear of God Raid. This is a pretty sick shoe. You know, they got the OG Fear of God, the super high top ones, shoot around joints with the swoosh and the laces all around the back, but those were a little too spendy for me, so here I'd go the not so-called budget route and go with these. But I do like these a lot more. Low profile shoe, but also the lockdown look, kind of a just adds the collection. I'll show you little details there on the side. It's got some wording right there. You got the clear air unit, and of course you got Nike Air on the back that it says right there in the heel. It does come with white laces in the Nike bag, of course, and then you got the medial side, the swoosh, and then just a smooth kind of canvas material upper with the nice suede there on the side. Of course, regular white bottom, and then of course the air unit in the heel. I already undid this one. I tried it on a little bit ago. Same shoe. Just have a lace lock with a Fear of God branding right there. If you can see that, I don't know, it's a little dark out here. But my size has got Air Fear of God on the insole. I can show you the size tag here. I don't know if you can see that, but so I can get the camera in focus. So there's that. Just a quick little overview of the shoe. You know, I got the straps for the lockdown, and then it is Velcro. Yeah, so this lockdown lace system. Of course, you can undo the laces as you please, and then when the time comes, if you want to strap it down, you can. Pretty versatile shoe, nice materials, durable, and pretty different if you ask me. But you know, overall, pretty nice shoe. Retail was like $190. I think I paid $215 with the shipping and tax. So kind of puts a damper on your checking account a little bit. But if you want to brighten your sneaker collection, this is one way to go. The Fear of God joints. I think I'm going to do a little on feet. I'll throw that in with the video, so hope you guys enjoy.